అమెరికాలో కాలిఫోర్నియాలోని శాన్ లియాండ్రియాలో ఉన్న బదరికాశ్రమం ఉన్న మరియు మానవాళి సేవకు అంకితమైన ఆధ్యాత్మిక కేంద్రం బదరికాశ్రమ విద్యాశాలలో సాధారణ విద్యతో పాటు ఆధ్యాత్మిక విద్యను బోధిస్తున్నారు. కర్ణాటకలోని తుముకూరు జిల్లాలో ఉన్న బదరికాశ్రమ రెసిడెన్షియల్ పాఠశాలలో 1 నుండి 12వ తరగతి వరకు విలువలతో కూడిన నాణ్యమైన విద్యను అందిస్తున్నట్లు స్వామి ఓంకారానంద వివరించారు. పాఠశాల పరిసరాల్లో నివసించే పేద కుటుంబాల పిల్లలకు ప్రైమరీ స్కూల్, మిడిల్ స్కూల్, హై స్కూల్, హైయర్ సెకండరీ స్కూల్లో విద్యను ఉచితంగా బోధిస్తున్నట్లు నారాయణ్ సాధక్ తెలిపారు.
Namaste, I am with Swamiji Omkarananda at Bhadrashrama, San Leonardo, California, and I'm very honored to be interviewing him today. Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste, Sakshi too, and channel those who are interested in watching many years. Namaste to all of you. Bhadrashrama name was taken after the Himalayan Bhadrashrama. Means Vedavyasa, where he wrote Mahabharata and other granthas in Badrikshetra. When I was doing in Uttarakashi, in Himalaya, UP, my tapasya time, I was studying deeply Bhagavata Purana. In the Bhagavata Purana, Badrikashrama comes. Sri Krishna Paramatma sent to Uddhava and Vidura to meditate in Badrikashrama. Since that name came there, I interested and very deeply I was, and also 4 times I visited Badrikashrama, had a blessings of Badrinath Dhama and Mahatmas and Badrinarayana. I experienced spiritual experience also. Since that Badrikashrama I have taken, should be Badrikashrama in America, I taken that one. It's we can use Badrikashrama 3 wings. We do cultural program, we do spiritual propaganda, and we do karma yoga also, physical work also. It is in India we have 1 center and 1 center in America. Here we mostly do spiritual and cultural heritage of India we propagate. I came to this country in 1970. I have seen many centers, many temples are coming up. It's beautiful. Motive had to be dedication, devotion, and heritage of India to propagate. It's all should not be any commercial in temple or a ashrama. Commercial leads to people, commercial mind. Purely spiritual flavor if we put, money is not the problem, money comes to us. If we are doing a good job, money comes. People recognize the work, people recognize our simplicity and the honesty. They definitely will support, which I have got the support. That is the way. No promotion, no commercial, no for anything, for material desire. Unconditionally, I go and serve my people. I love my people. And Swamis do not go to a funeral and all these things. Without hesitation, I went. God's prayer to bring prayer. It's nothing. It's not untouchability of religion we teach. We teach devotion, dedication, determination, and loving family environment to create. That is most important. That is my main teaching here. In America, spiritual practices we do daily worship and evening worship continuously. It goes on. Temple not for a limit time. Whatever time people comes, we'll do that one. Since COVID, we limited it because people without appointment we come, we can't open the temple also. The people are vaccinated, people are wearing masks, these are all we make sure also. People love the religion, how we present. Religion we are had to practice unconditional, undoubted service. That way, people will appreciate and understand the day-to-day life. Religion we have to teach day-to-day life, and mother, father, children, all had to be together. That is we try to implement to the children, for the families. We practice through the puja, through the kirtan, through the discussion. We do in America. Now, second part, our Badrikashrama in Madihalli, we developed in a rural environment. Whatever America devotees have given money, maintaining ashrama, leftover money we put in Madihalli, Turuvekere Taluk, Tumkur district in Karnataka. Then we started 2 acres land. Today we have 64 acres land and plus 20 acres. This will developing for the Badrikashrama. We developed also coconut trees, 800 coconut trees that will take care of the expense of the ashrama. Ashrama, we education, health program, agriculture seminar, personal teachers orientation, development, and festivals. These are all we do in the rural area. It's now we built a school, 7 crores rupees, more than $1 million school. With equipment and all these things, it goes to 10 crores rupees, of course. Rural children, what they can get, we try to provide. In everywhere, computer is most important. So, about a 65-70 lakhs rupees computer lab we set up for the rural children, because that much is not expensive. There is no electricity regular. We set up the UPS also. One of our devotees in America donated, that is doing very well. In the CBS school, computer education, fourth standard in our fourth place in the computer education in our CBSE school. For your information, these are all happened from the American devotees. My puja dakshina, arti tatte. Arati waves, you put the money. That is the way we built the Badrikashrama. In America also, I want to build in the community oriental program. We need big place, of course. If you have somebody want to join me, is most welcome. I need 10 acres land. There we'll have our Indian cultural program, training program, teaching program, and social. Those who need hostel and housing, we want to do also. Money goes and comes for different purpose. But I am a pujari. They think still I am pujari. I am still pujari for the blessings of Narayana. But my mission is a humanitarian. Serve humanity and God seeking. Atmano mokshartam jagad hitayacha. This life has come, Atma, in Atma's development, self-development, that had to be serving humanity. That is the mission, our mission. I follow the Swami Vivekananda's teaching, Ramakrishna, Sharada, Gandhi, and great Mahatmas' teachings also I follow. I am not a fanatic one side of Hindus. I am in this part I am. I don't want to say somebody's name and they should think I am a fanatic man. No. I go to every ashrama, every temple, every church also goes. I'm a universal man. But Vedic teaching, foundation of Indian heritage, I am a founder because that is the universal religion. It's our rishis taught not to be fanatic, be universal, part of universe. But hush, not to bite. Violence, no place in Hindu faith. We love everybody, but anybody causes a problem, they will have more problem for them. We love them, everybody. What religion, what caste, what really we don't have. We need not bring to America our caste system here. We separating our group, our Hindu unity, we should not be there. Have to be everybody equal in the presence of light of God. Not individually. Of course, karmanyeva adhikarte ma paleshu kadachana. Karmavan, you do your karma, phala don't expect. That is the purpose. Serving humanity at large and serving everyone, loving and nourishing people to educate themselves. This is we are doing. And India, the school is becoming now already SSLC standard, three graduated, 3 group and doing very well. Now also we have Goshala, we have hostel for teachers and students, and we want to do residential facilities for the hostel students, for our school children. That is also we working on it. Day to come, America, I want to, what I developed in India, the same thing I want to develop school, cultural program, cultural education, cultural training. This all we want to do in Badrikashrama. Wow, thank you all of you are listening to us. And thank you to our Sakshi.
Namaste, my name is Narayana and I'm here in Badrikashrama, San Leandro, California. And this is the community that I grew up in my whole life here in the Bay Area. And through my journeys in college going to India, I came across ashram and got involved in the Hindu community at that time. That was more than 15 years ago. And my journey has brought me to Badrikashrama. I've had the opportunity to serve here in San Leandro as well as our India Center in Madihalli, Karnataka. So in my time here in Badrikashrama, I've served 4 years in San Leandro Center and 4 years in Madihalli, Karnataka India Center. And I just came back from our Madihalli Center, which has been doing a lot of good progress in our Vidyashala, our school, which has the 700 students who are extremely bright, learning the values that our Swamiji has imbibed into them. And it's just a good experience to see the rural community of India. We don't have much knowledge here. What the news gives us is a kind of a quick painting. So I want to tell what a good experience I had in being in our Karnataka Center and seeing the work that Swamiji has done manifested to the temple, our Lakshmi Narayana temple, our school, in our large ashrama with the agricultural facilities with all the coconut trees and all. So a lot of work is going on there, and it was good to be a part of that, to learn from my personal spiritual growth and to also participate in a effort to serve the humanity. And now I've come back here to serve in our San Leandro Center for the coming future. So I want to mention that we do a lot of programs that are, as Swamiji said, universal thinking and openness for everyone. So we host a Thanksgiving program every year, a Christmas program, where we bring in wonderful traditional Hindustani and Carnatic music and other types of music for the community of all backgrounds to come and enjoy. And then we give an international vegetarian dinner, so they can try all sorts of wonderful, delicious food. They enjoy that. And now in just 2 days from now, on November 25th, we're going to have our Thanksgiving program. And I would like to announce that Srimati Shubhangi Sakulkar, a wonderful Hindustani singer, and Shripad Turvi, who's a tabla player, and Vivek Datta, who's a harmonium player, all of them are first-class musicians. And they're going to be here from 3 to 5 in the evening time. And then after that concert, we'll have a big, wonderful dinner. So you're all welcome to come and join. We also have, just a week after that, we have our biannual, twice a year, we have a a Samuhika, 108 Samuhika Satyanarayana Puja, where all the families come, they sit, and they do a puja, they sponsor, and they sit for puja. Swamiji will guide them and just give blessings to the family and bring the harmony and peace. So we welcome you, and just go to the website, badrikashrama.org or .com, whatever it is, Badrikashrama, and you'll see all the information there. You can contact us, email, phone, and come visit us. You'll enjoy the peaceful atmosphere here. Namaste.